Peace and truth, they go together. What is false cannot be peacekeeping. This is a law. Satyam alone can have the Shanti. So what is the beauty of meditation? That you are not missing, you are for a moment going to yourself without the medium of any external person, relative, action, thought, and you revel in your mediumlessness of yourself. I am telling you one thing, learn to relax at all time. Relaxation is not an action. Relaxation is an intellectual process where you drop what you are not. Relaxation is a realization that nothing has happened to me and nothing will happen to me. This body is just a medium in front of my infinite eye. I am not a body with the Atma in it. This is a very big blunder. I am not a body with the Atma in it. I am the Atma with the incidental appearance of body on it. This is relaxation. Today we will see Pratyahar topic, if you remember. Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar. Pratyahar. Because there are three things in our life. One is called Kriya, other is called Ichha, and third is called Jnanam. Kriya, Ichha and Jnana. Activity, desire and knowledge. If you stabilize your Asan and Pranayam, Kriya stops. Big medium has gone. This is during meditation. If you can stop desiring for half an hour every day, Pratyahar will come. And if you don't have knowledge of outer world for some time, Dhyan will be there. Now let me explain this. I give the example of a strobe light many times. So this is a constant light and this is a constant light. And on that there is a moving light with lot of holes and lot of colors. It is moving, and all around in the hall there is a different flashes of light going depending on the music, because it is synchronized with the music. Strobe light. ये बड़ा काम का एग्जाम्पल है हमारे. I like this. You know why? This pure self or the Atma is like pure light. This body with so many sense organs, there are 5 sense organs here, and from each sense organ there is a ray of Atma, knowledge coming out. Different equipment is here. Same knowledge of the self is hearer, seer, speaker, smeller, toucher, and this is moving here. I feel that is moving. Another, inside there are 2 strobes. One strobe is inside called mind. On the top is called sense organ. Third strobe is called activities. Fourth strobe is called our rag dvesh. 4, 5 strobes light are constantly making that constant light move all around. So you have illusion that I am changing. You have illusion that I am suffering. With I, there is no verb. Verb doesn't go with I. I am. That's the only thing. Now I am coming to Pratyahar point. So Prati plus Ahar. So Ahar means withdrawal. And Prati means from every sense organs. So you withdraw the sense organ from the sense object. So Indriyanam Swaswa Vishebhya Nivrittihi Pratyahara. The sense organs withdrawn from the respective sense object is called Pratyahara. When the sense organs are not going on the sense object, they become one with the mind. Please get my point. When the sense organs are one with the mind becomes quieter. If the sense organ go out in the mind, it brings a thought inside. Therefore, every important thing should be protected. No need to see everything, because don't gain that impression which will create unnecessary botheration. You will have to struggle with the thought. No need to see everything. Already past impressions are enough. So no need for those impressions for which you have to struggle again. Especially if it is giving you enjoyment and suffering. Every impression has a power to erupt at a time of meditation. And it will not allow you to think constantly on the self or your God for a longer time. Your life is a very beautiful is your life. You have never known how to bring out that beauty. Because in your life, the substratum of your life is not you, it is Ishwar. When you move, Ishwar is there in you. You are walking, talking in Ishwar. Problem is you live with the ego, and therefore life becomes difficult. If I can touch that golden cord of Ishwar on every issue, that is called silence. And this is the fruit of pratyahar. Meditation is the power of pause. Like after sleeping, you get rejuvenated. When you take the mind to the source or God, you will feel more quieter and rejuvenated. Awareness is sleep, and full awareness is meditation.